In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer support for eBay. First, open the eBay Help and Contact page. This is where your journey begins for reaching out to customer support. On your screen, you will see a clean and user-friendly layout. This page is designed to help you find the assistance you need quickly. It is crucial to start here because this page serves as the hub for all your inquiries. You will notice various options that guide you through the available resources. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it is the gateway to resolving your issues effectively. Next, sign in to your eBay account for personalized support. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring that your email and password are correct. This step is essential because signing in allows eBay to tailor their support to your specific account and history. You will see a welcome message once you are logged in, confirming that you are ready to access personalized help. This personalized touch can make a significant difference in the support you receive. Once that is done, at the top categories, click Help and Contact. This action will redirect you to a more detailed section of the eBay Help Center. Here you will find various topics related to common issues and concerns. The categories are designed to be intuitive, helping you to navigate easily. Selecting this option ensures that you are in the right place to find answers or connect with support. It is a straightforward step, yet it lays the groundwork for a more efficient support experience. Now, scroll down and select Contact Us at the bottom of the page. This is a key step where you begin to engage directly with customer support. When you reach this section, you will notice various options for contacting eBay. This is important because it shows you the different ways you can communicate with support, whether through chat, email, or phone. Each method has its unique advantages, so take a moment to consider which one suits your preference best. Next, choose the issue you need help with. You will see a list of common concerns that users face. Click on the relevant issue that matches your situation. This step is crucial because it directs you to the most suitable support resource. By selecting a specific issue, eBay can provide you with more targeted assistance. You will find that this specificity can save you time and lead to a quicker resolution. After that, follow the prompts to see the available contact options and connect with the appropriate support agent. As you follow these prompts, keep an eye on the screen for any additional instructions or information. This process is designed to streamline your experience and guide you to the right support channel. You might see options such as live chat, call support, or email assistance. Each option is tailored to suit different needs, ensuring you can choose the method that feels most convenient for you. Also, remember you can search for a help article about your specific issue. This is often a quick way to find solutions. If you choose this route, scroll to the bottom of the article to select an available contact option. This extra tip can be invaluable as it helps you explore potential solutions before reaching out for help. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to getting the assistance you need from eBay's customer support. Each step plays a vital role in ensuring that you can connect effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you resolve your issues smoothly.